Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to test you by giving you a few challenges that you need to complete for the go to X and Y blocks. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. The first challenge that you need to do is you need to make the sprite go to X 177 and Y minus 87. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to do that. Okay, 10 seconds is done. Did you do it? Great job if you did. And even if you didn't, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So first, you need to go to the blocks panel over here. Make sure you're in the motion tab, and then you will be able to see go to X and Y. Now just drag this into this big white plain area. What is it called? It's called the code area. Let's drag and drop the go to X and Y. Let's drag and drop it into the code area. And now over here you can see there's the go to X and Y. Now what do we need to do? We need to change these values. Now the first value, I think it was 177, and the other one was minus 87. There we go. Now let's click on the block and preview it in the testing area over here. You can see now the cat is moved somewhere. If you did this, give yourself a pat on the back for that great and amazing work. It is really good. Okay? The second challenge that you need to do is you need to make the sprite go to X minus 184 and Y minus 158. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to do that. Okay, 10 seconds is done. Did you do it? Great job if you did. And even if you didn't, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So first, you need to go to the blocks panel over here and then make sure you're in the motion tab. And now just drag the go to X and Y, drag it into the code area, this big white space in the middle. Just drag and drop it. Now what did we need to do? We need to change the values. So let's change it to minus 184 and the last one to minus 158. There you go. Now what is the last step? You need to click on the block. So click on it. You can see now it has updated in the testing area right here. You can see the cat has moved to over there in the bottom left. So if you did this, then great job, okay? Give yourself a pat in the back for that great and amazing work. It is really good. The third and final challenge that you need to do is you need to make the sprite go to the positions of 104 in the x-axis and 69 in the y-axis. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to do that. Okay, 10 seconds is done. Did you do it? Great job if you did. And even if you didn't, I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So first, you need to just go to the blocks panel over here. Make sure you're in the motion tab and then just drag the go to X and Y. Just drag this into the code area. Click and drag. Now just change the X of it to 104 and the Y of it to 69. There we go. Okay, there's the block. Now you just need to click on that. So click. You can see now the sprite is at somewhere else. Before it was in the bottom left. Now it's pretty much in the top right. That is so cool, right? If you did this, then great job. Give yourself a pat on the back for that great and amazing work. It is really good. Okay? So that's it for this lesson. I will see you in my next lesson.